Hi, welcome to Conversion Conversations. This is Cameron, and today I'm taking an overall look at Transformers Generations Legacy United Wave 2. The only figure from this wave I don't have and I haven't reviewed yet is Gears. Hopefully my Gears is on the way. I just haven't had him. I figured I'd do this look even though I don't have Gears because I'm about to send off Chromia and Starscream. And I just want to talk about the wave overall. So we got one new core class figure in the Beast Machines Cheetor. We had 3 deluxes, Chromia's being a repaint, Shard and Gears being new molds, 2 Voyagers in Silverbolt and Starscream, and then a new leader, quote-unquote, in Sandstorm. And I'd say overall, this was a great wave of toys. I'd probably rank it about the same as Wave 1. In Wave 1, you know, we had an Armorizer core class as well as Tasmania Kid, which was a highlight. Cheetor, to me, doesn't feel as strong as Tasmania Kid, but better than, what was his name? Magnius, I think? Or no, was that one the other one? Whatever. The Armorizers don't do much for me. Except at the Deluxe, we have Shard, and she is wonderful. I really like her design. I think she's just a very unique Transformer. I love that she's a helicopter. Ignoring the Armorizer gimmick, which I don't think is very effective, she is just a great Deluxe. Chromia is a solid repaint of a solid Deluxe. So as long as Gears didn't like totally crap the bed, Deluxes across the board were recommends. But the place where this wave shined the most, I think, are the Voyagers. Silverbolt is fantastic. He's both a simple, effective transformation, a great-looking toy, very evocative of a character that we just haven't gotten an update of, and a very exciting time to be a Beast Wars fan. And then Starscream, I think, is universally regarded as the best figure of the whole wave. People really like this Cybertron Starscream mold. I really like it. I'm excited. I want to see a repaint so that I'll have one of my own. He's fantastic, super flexible, super posable, really good transformation, a little fiddly in alt mode, but overall, the Voyagers here both, I think, raise the bar in what comes at that price point. That being said, the bar went back down a little bit for Sandstorm. You can see here, Sandstorm as a leader doesn't really stand out in the wave even because of how small he is. It's a fine robot mode. It's fiddly in its transformation. It's not super effective in tabbing together properly, which is frustrating. Compared to Tigerhawk, which was the leader of the previous wave. Let's pop our camera up a little bit. Sandstorm did not live up to that size and that, you know, the how fun of a toy Tigerhawk was. But for G1 fans, I mean, they got a dedicated G1 mold here, and Sandstorm got a dedicated new mold, which he hasn't had in generations before. So I understand the appeal. Putting things together, you know, we've got with Chase now. We've got our 3 Armorizers together. I've got Windblade over here. The others, you know, I've got scattered around. But I'd say Legacy United, it's been kind of a hodgepodge of what we've been getting. But overall, I'd say more hits than misses. The real, I'd say, failures being the Armorizer gimmick not really working. They just need to break down more. If your whole gimmick is you're able to armor up toys, I have not seen anyone armor things up the way they weapon things up with the weaponizers. I think the fact that we get so many robot limbs left over instead of things breaking out into flat plates that can be stacked on top to armor things up is very telling. And then, of course, Sandstorm, you know, being iffy. But the Deluxes in general have been very, very solid. The Voyagers have been great. Overall, I think Legacy United has been really exciting to see how much variety it's given Transformers fans of all, if you're a fan of animated, you're getting animated molds. If you're a fan of freaking Rescue Bots, you got a Rescue Bot toy. Beast Wars fans are eating great. Armada and Cybertron, Unicron Trilogy fans are eating great. It is, Cyberverse fans are getting new toys. Even G1 fans are still getting something new. And of course, Gears, which I haven't reviewed yet. So yeah, just want to do a quick overview. I'll probably do an addendum to this when I finally get Gears. But overall, Wave 2, I'd say 2 thumbs up. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye!